Understanding the evolution of GPT model sizes offers multiple insights into how scale directly influences the performance and capabilities of these generative wonders. Let's begin with GPT-1, which was released in 2018. It's the first model in the GPT series, which was trained on approximately 40 gigabytes of text data. 40 gigabytes is a lot of text, and it was done using unsupervised learning. It achieved significant results in multiple tasks and competitive performances. It had an initial context length of 512 tokens, which is equivalent to around 380 words. I'll talk more about tokens pretty soon. Then GPT-2, which was released in 2019. It's an improved version of GPT-1. But check this out. If you thought that 117 million parameters was a lot, GPT-2 had 1.5 billion parameters. It's derived from the GPT-1 architecture, but focusing on improved training. And this training was conducted on a larger text corpus. One notable improvement is that it had double the input size as compared to GPT-1, which allowed processing more extensive text samples. It enhanced performance through multiple modifications that allowed for better coherence and relevance in text generation. Then in 2020, GPT-3 was released, which built on top of GPT-1 but with 175 billion parameters, and it was trained on over 570 gigabytes of text data. It had notable improvements, including the G-Sharp technology that enabled model parallelism and facilitating efficient training and inference. Also, zero-shot learning and few-shot learning capabilities for versatility in task execution, as well as multilingual support. That's about 30 languages, which means more people around the world could use it. Also, it had enhanced sampling algorithms and the introduction of prompted sampling options. Then in 2022, GPT 3.5 was launched, building upon GPT 3's foundation but with an emphasis on ethical considerations. And this is the time, or so it feels, when the whole world focused its attention on ChatGPT. There are three variants with 1.3 billion, 6 billion, and 175 billion parameters. GPT 3.5 incorporates human values through reinforcement learning with human feedback. It aims to generate more reliable and ethical outputs, aligning more closely with user intentions. In a nutshell, the most noteworthy improvements were the reinforcement learning from human feedback to fine tune the model's performance and the enhanced ability to learn from errors and produce more natural and coherent text. Then in 2023, GPT-4 was released, which is the latest milestone in the GPT series at the time of the creation of this course. It introduces multimodal capabilities, processing text and image inputs for text outputs. It is estimated to possess nearly 1 trillion parameters and incorporates the lessons from GPT 3.5's ethical enhancements and showcases superior performance. It utilizes insights from user feedback to further enhance capabilities. Now, the question that I ask you, what do you think the future holds? Well, let's wait and see, but let's learn how to use what we have available now.